Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I'll be unboxing the TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi extender, which is RE-200. Now for the past few weeks I have been facing severe signal loss in my home because of the router position, and that's why some of the rooms in my home were not getting proper signal reception. So that's why I just got this extender from Amazon, and I'll be using this one as a primary Wi-Fi device as an extender else and see the difference between the Wi-Fi signals. So this is a one mesh device. So if you have a TP-Link router, then this means that it can exist as a single Wi-Fi SSID. In my case, I have a Huawei router, which I have to check whether this will be able to, integrate into the same Wi-Fi network, or it will create a new SSID. So as you can see that it is AC-750 mesh Wi-Fi extender, and let's unbox this thing and see what we have got inside. So inside the box we have got some paperwork, as you can see, some installation guides to visit, and there is some QR code in order to install it that I have, from which you can configure the device. So let's put these things aside, and we can see that this is the Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi extender. As you can see, it's kind of a shiny one here, and yeah, there was a hair strand there. And let's see how it holds up as when I use this device as a Wi-Fi extender. It has got some WPS button over here, and yes, and there's an Ethernet port along with the reset button. So let's see how it performs, and I'll be with you guys when I use this device, and my thoughts regarding the signal reception and how it holds up. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.